Is the update button missing in your Play Store? Here's how to fix it, step by step. Is your Play Store not showing the update button when you try to update certain apps? You go to update an app, but instead of seeing the update option, you only see open, and it feels like something's wrong. Well, let me break it down for you. In many cases, the reason you don't see the update option is because your app is already running the latest version, and you may not realize it. Step 1. Check the app version. First, scroll down inside the app's Play Store page until you see About this app. Tap on it, and you'll see the current version of the app installed on your device. Now do this. Go back to your home screen. Long press the app icon, let's say Instagram. Tap the small I icon or App Info. Look at the version number. If the version number matches the one on the Play Store, it means your app is already up to date. That's why there's no update option showing. But if the versions don't match, keep watching. Here's how to fix it. Step 2. Clear Play Store data. Long press the Play Store icon, tap App Info, tap on Storage Usage, then click Clear All Data. Why is this important? Clearing the Play Store data resets any stuck cache or outdated info that might be preventing new updates from showing. Step 3. Restart your phone. After clearing data, press and hold the power button and restart your phone. Rebooting refreshes all services and makes the Play Store fetch fresh update data. Step 4. Force stop the Play Store. Still not working? Go back to App Info for the Play Store. Tap Force Stop. Then relaunch the Play Store. This forces the app to shut down completely and restart clean. Step 5. Clear Google Play Services cache. Open Settings. Go to Apps. In the search bar, type Google Play Services. Tap it and select Storage. Then hit Clear Cache. This can solve background issues that are blocking update availability. Step 6. Uninstall updates for the app. If a specific app still doesn't show the update option, go to Settings, Apps. Find the app, for example, WhatsApp or Instagram. Tap the three-dot menu at the top, or tap App Info. Select Uninstall Updates. Once done, open the Play Store and search for that app again. You should now see the Update button. Optional tip: change your Play Store region. Sometimes the problem is regional. Here's how to fix that. Open Settings. In the search bar, type Region or Country. Change your region from India to something like Indonesia or another country. Now go back and check, the update option might show up. That's it for today's video, friends. If this helped you fix the missing update option, drop a comment below and tell me which step worked. Like the video, subscribe for more Android fixes, share this with a friend who's also stuck on an old app version. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.